Hello, and welcome to today's nutraceutical business review in conversation with Biocell. I'm Sophie Bullymore, and I'm joined by Suhail Ishaq from Biocell, who's president at Biocell. Nice to meet you, Suhail. If I could just start by talking about your company's main ingredient focus, which is collagen. I think we're all aware of collagen's reputation for skincare, but I was surprised to read there are other sort of lesser known benefits. If you could just run us through the mechanism of collagen and sort of why your Biocell collagen is specifically so special.
Sure, thank you so much. Well, collagen is found throughout the body, and collagen, as well as glycosaminoglycans, including hyaluronic acid and chondroitin sulfate, are components of the extracellular matrix of connective tissue. So sort of think about these as like the glue that sort of holds everything together. And what makes Biocell collagen, one of the things that makes Biocell collagen special is that these other molecules, in addition to collagen, are found in a naturally occurring matrix that has been the subject of various studies, including clinical studies, which prove that it's really good for joints and also for healthy aging, beauty from within, and reducing fine lines and wrinkles, increasing collagen production, improving elasticity, and whatnot.
Brilliant. Well, that actually kind of leads me into, so the source of your collagen is chicken sternum cartilage, if I'm right. But what we mostly see is marine collagen. I was wondering if you could talk about the benefits of specifically your sourcing as opposed to the marine route.
Sure. Well, sources, that's correct. Most of the collagens available in the market are byproducts of the gelatin industry. So they come from sources like marine, bovine, and porcine. We go a step beyond that. We don't get it from the entire carcass, but we go through our supply chain goes through painstaking procedures to derive it only from the sternum cartilage. And cartilage is a unique source of molecules because it's highly abundant in the glycosaminoglycans. So it makes the ingredient more valuable as opposed to lower cost sources that the other materials are derived from. I'm talking about like the isolated collagen ingredients. So there is a difference.
Oh, well, so talking about the lower class sources, from a finished product manufacturer's point of view, what are the risks we're going sort of like an unbranded route or something like you would say, like the marine lower class ingredients?
Yeah, and it's important not to overgeneralize. I mean, the thing is that, collagen is a very diverse category. There's, and the diversity, extends from not only source, manufacturing method, molecular composition and whatnot. So the value that branded ingredients like Biocell collagen offer is that we have it's the specific ingredient is substantiated, right? So with clinical studies, evidence, dose data, because they can vary. So that's one of the benefits that CPG brands that use branded ingredients such as Biocell collagen can benefit from.
So it's like sort of transparency reasons and sort of like a trusted source, yeah.
Absolutely, transparency is definitely a big part of it.
Yeah. Well, because I was looking at your website, because obviously transparency, there's lots of things on there. And I see you've got several patents for things relating to like the molecular sort of compositions of collagen. What is specifically the importance of that to your business?
Sure. When it comes to ingestible collagens specifically, we're recognized as a pioneer in this space. And we have several patents surrounding hydrolyzed collagen type 2, hyaluronic acid and chondroitin compositions, and just collagen compositions in general. So we continue to innovate in this space, and IP is definitely an important aspect of our business.
As you said earlier, the beauty from within trend is huge at the moment. What do you think collagen's role is sort of within that?
Sure. I mean, the pandemic, of course, as we all know, has had massive shifts in human behavior. So, consumers, because like spas and the traditional retail areas where people would go for skincare has been restricted. So there's more of an emphasis on, at-home measures, what you can do. So it's really an integrative approach. But what we're seeing right now is the convergence of nutrition and cosmetics, right? So this category, nutricosmetics, is growing, which we play a role in, and we believe that this trend will not only continue, but continue to grow at a rapid rate, because millennials especially understand the connection between beauty and nutrition, and it's also established in science as well. So it's really exciting to see traditional beauty brands get into the nutricosmetic space, and we have some exciting partners that we're working with in the pipeline.
Brilliant. I really hadn't thought of that, sort of with the pandemic, people being at home, like something they have to really do for themselves. That's just so interesting. But I think that's everything I have. Thank you for your time, Suhail. Thank you to everyone watching. If you'd like to see more interviews like this with Biocell, with other companies in the nutraceutical sector, head to our YouTube channel or go to nutraceuticalbusinessreview.com. Thank you.
Thank you so much.